my lords and my lady bishops present, reverends and pastors, my son main speaker tonight, Reverend Ben, aka Gukoa Nairobi, Reverend Joshua, Bishop Jane, Bishop Uria, my senator all the way from Nyandarua, Honorable Metho, ako hapo, simama senator wangu Nyandarua County, businessmen, my age mates, my chairman Elder Kigomo, Ben Gitahi, artists, media personalities, Nyandarua finest, Wakirumba, sons and daughters, Broadon events, nyote na wasalimu hamujambo. Bwana asifiwe. Leo sio siku yangu, ilikuwa yenyu. Na mimi nashukuru na nojuge gatho ciako cia mwanya ikinyire ngoro cianyu. Ni ndikwendete tukorwo na andu a ground, tondu nduire ground. We wanted to get people on air. But mimi sijui what you have thought. You have just surprised me. Nilikuwa nimeambia nene bia watu ingie live ikitu tuanze saa 12. We didn't need people on the ground, but I didn't know you'll surely come. This is a surprise. I would love to say nedraroro gwo gona thuri tumete nao kuraihu. Elder Kigomo rogama tu hawuri, Ben Gitahi asione agu Sir James and ancestors tigawa kafura ni ana kemara tukorire muthenya ungi na matini na vijana docio marugamite ni ancestors tuhurite ime nao ni turite thina nao ni turareire nao mundu gito Kigomo ahikanirie mbere yakwa hanini toikaragira uriri gwake na kametha kahana ta yakira. I'm happy to see today twina inywe na still you love me na bado mmechikira mugo. Please mugo rugama when we hiyo ancestor ni mama uoneo. Nimeshukuru haria tumete years and years. Now it's not, I don't take it for granted. I want to thank Arataria Gitana Odhuda, Reverend Joshua, Bishop Jane, please rugama na andu aria mana nyita na makanyitira kanitha Uria, please rugama. Thank you, God bless you. I appreciate your support. Digihota kumrugamia ithuothe inyuothe Ngai amurathime bishops, but I want to appreciate another class ya andu aria mokire music industry. Demoini na the director of Music Corporate Society of Kenya, copyright na garwa bara iria twarwaga wakafura Joseph rugama, Martin rugama, na ni andu megitio muno, wamekuwa na heshima nyingi na peer support. I really appreciate you. Bila na time ya ku appreciate all the generations ginyirire nene na mutumia Kesara aria nini muno generation ile derete nene. Please rogama mwanake wagethi form 1 ni ndamuheire fare ya magana 5. Kwa hivyo nimelea kaire tukare ahiketie agiura kwa nene gwakwa kiamba guka before the tuchikinyire sami mwenyewe. God bless you. I have another generation nini le few dikota kumi introduce to dunia adu nini few, but introduce hapo later kidogo. Kwanza niseme I appreciate the night because of businessmen who are here, investors. Kenywa wa maono, please can you stand up? This is my competitor. They know where you are megoda. Nehaha. Appreciate this man. Now Homes rogamai kindly. Now Homes. Muedaga do rogame. Can you tell sure na what I'm talking? My Homes, my Homes. Thank you. Now niaya. They are my competitors. Now Homes, my home. We compete now. Same clients, and they are here. This is level of maturity. Kenywa, among many, my Nyandarua finest to Akeruba, to ajererio memerekia, aya mari grupu ya kameme mashabiki etagwo kinywa wa iratu hari na githina wa bus station hari na kamishore wa marima mabuda hari na salamu wa police headquarters hari na ngao wa panti hari na moto mokiragia andu tukuga show ithikiririo you made me be and your team. Thank you very much. Ni oyari kamite yako ya mbere te oyago to Reverend Ben na ruso wa Gojiri kofanga event yako ya mbere ya Crunch Family Ministry mugeni wa giteo Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta mubunge tu na mundu etogoma okamaore MP only atari hindu kindu kingi just an MP wa Gatundu na leader of official position. Nidamenyire hindu metoko Masdeni Madoka Guracha Karogaro grupu ya yothe na Oburu Odinga Sharif Nasir au watu wote I got time ni aya gutuma duke celebrity getekerekane anene. I'm happy for you all. There is a generation now itamenyekaga tondu ti maturuta kamera makumira muno ahoria biashara na muno andu are mendagia maguta. I see them here na andu a gasi kina Sharago Jeremiah. Please nikikutaja tu wave the people watu wa gasi wa mafuta. Jeremiah kwa wapi? Asante sana, thank you very much. Tuko na watu wa jeshi mwenzetu kindly ile ni mtu wa jeshi na pia anashughulikia ukikufa ni kukuhehia wega ginya ukoyo ni andu wanyu na kuhe gari. Tuko mwenzetu funeral home na mushirika wa priesthood kwa andu mangia kanitha ini ni ndimonagia hena mundu ungi unge mahando na code room na orosho gikorogwo wetereire andu wanyu. Niko na hawa watu wote. I may not be able to say generation shiro wa GP. I think the time mama was talking ate ayagia nyuma na hutione ni shiro ne dirikana galita kala bera koina kanitha wa priest to Cool Breeze. I mean to Simba Center. That's how I met her. The real pastor Joanita no amujiri hena mwiri turajirie koina tumuhe rebo. They got me there na mwiri tu goinaga idara ya Hawaii drago gutuka betibayo agiukara mbere na kafuku Simba Center. She started on my shop nigatha tuhothe Phyllis Buthia Mugia wa Joroge Elijah Mira Regina Muthoga. All these people leu gerwo ogwo ndirerwo ati thonge na gina decision making power. I believe I have made sons and I have made daughters. Thank you. Wakwa mushida na higorera andu matiagite kuria mburi magana mana 99.004 na ngedire ndari akwao ana aria mana aria muno angidie kwao for real die kwa matini niko none arite mburi cia kwa kendo 134.50 na giginya nyumba cia audio uri ihana. I thank God I have led and others have followed. I'm happy when I see you driving a car like mine, building a house like mine, marrying a wife like mine. Tamati nira ginya mutumia diukana guthigo shepithia ruga rathi hana wakwa biu. Betty, thank you very much. Nene taguo, I am so proud of you. And tonight ni godoko ekoshu gwicho ciario ni mwanake munini mugi Kiegei Reverend Ben. The reason why I sat down is the reason why I always sit down and give way to others. Nigetha rucio gakorwo kuo through mundu ungi ngaiguika mugabo wakwa na ngono through mundu ungi. I'm a son of a single mother. I'm known to poverty. I'm known to thena. I'm acquainted with the suffering. I have come a long way. Nyandora finest nikaire tukareketa kwa Keruba niko irugano ru in detail na korogwe kudu tutanarikia tuthiginya part 50 for another day. And Senator Metho niyo ene darugamite kiti kiu and later I withdrew na Senator Gisel through. I'm proud of you muno muno na nijue ni ukorora Nyandarua. I know when you mean no joke you are no joke. Kindly reketo kona kwa kuinuka na gari cito igakinya mucii na ngohoe mbere ya andu aya kabaraga kuma haria ha Adamu ukinya gwakwa njororoko kindly ni hoete ndahoire kimemia kirega badilisha ni aregete wewe hau ndaguthaitha nie ndiriaga kuinuka piu ati ndingithi gwakwa bara yo negenete ngero ngari yakwa ni ya ngoma nginya namba we ni uwi barere ari Nyandarua na yarwa muno ndio ni kifo lilo kafara kautuma senator mimi nitakusupport lakini ukikosa kutengeneza hiyo unanijua vizuri na hakwaja kamera gusie nyajanie na medhu tuinaga tutura. Now I promise you my brother, mimi niko nyuma yako and I'll not be on the fighting side yako for now. Rutawera no turorere Nyandarua. We love you, we love your image. Thank you. Reke ijuge atiriri, there is no success without a successor. Get me that. There is no success without a successor. Shurishi kana okorwa mundu woka ujoinaga kirathi njerago ni Reverend Joshua. No preaching anymore. You get to mentorship. I'm getting to mentorship. Nidi kuhora na Nigeria mwagiza kae weho. Masha. Di kuhora na Nigeria na meshamanio Pastor Bull ehaha. Di kuhora na meshamanio shiro heka iritu karokire kanitha kare to shiko blessing kaiga no ndiraugire nari koro scheme na shiro IGP no maetekire kurekia manyita kana takau makaigirira moko tu release what is in them hatari wiru na hatari ke because there must be other scheme, another shiro, another Ben Gitahi, another Muigai, whether you like it or not. But if you hold it, it will not go. Shiro, I mentioned to you, please look for that girl, bless her. Teketha kakatu kanio gakena heka iritu kaginyo na ngakina tawe ogwo na nikakwana ginyo thio ngaigua wega when I see another shiro. If you cannot make anybody, if you dogetweka kindu kingi, then you are a failure. Without a successor, there is no success. Your success is guaranteed by your successors. That's why I sit down. That's why I listen to these young men. There are people who cannot release the microphone. I take pride at the daikara na nejikarete ginyamathiko karagwa muraya, man who is doing philanthropic mission arajetire karathi me crowd breaking yake ya gihigishikarushini. I called my reverend here, Reverend Muriithi agithika magodeya ni arutire wera mweka karago. That is it. Tondu ndiri hindi ingikoro everywhere na nindirakura. I want to bring up Kizna Masharia pastor and the rest and come ogwo raigua Bishop Jenny akiuga na Jehia ne majoi muno Joshua Gatodu. For long I have a heart to make someone else shine when I'm seated, and that is me. I would love to say ni demokenu ho ini oyo na dredo gushoka haria jikarethi haria ha Madam Senator Medho oyo no senator wa Berpio kuma Obama a senator wa Illinois na my wife became the first senator na tuiro senator kutari senate ne Sir James kwa giuga senator senator ne mago kikarani ne mukororana na we are happy guga terere. 1 Corinthians chapter number 16. I would love somebody to read for me. Betty, you are there. 1 Corinthians chapter number 16 verse number 17 and 18. Nariri negukena genete niundu woria Stefano marina foritu nato na akaiko mokite ni negukena genete ni oria mwagiza kayo na akaiko urauma haha na foritu nato mokite. I'm happy. When you are fighting them, I'm happy. Kuona mwana toyo gochidia nie ginya dekite sukuru nira ciarago writing to me at a gogeres igogonera free of charge, loving me for nothing. Mwana kesho guto Brandon nie diendaga maundu maya tondu uria JJ yathondekwo my wife tukiambia githima ngerega gwika shoyo na ngiuga ndingika na ngerega nenes a witness Karo Mwaura was to do it with me. I refused. Until now nigukena ngenete ni uria Stefano mena kaiko na Fortunato mokite niki
ni undu nio mahingeirie uhoro wanyu
to nio mahingeirie uhoro wanyu
uria itari naguo
kiria itari nio mareka. They have supplied what I didn't have. They are reaching where I could not reach. Leo nigukena ngenete Biblia githoria kenage yukaga ninafurahia ujio ujio wao. Nimefurahia mimi. Nimefurahia Pradon. Nilisema we are launching this. Now, my wife and some of sponsors, and we were preparing out of the challenge. Kina Kamenjo, our control team, kujira Bishop inid shone ya shuri sine yigimuno toeka shona betua masharia shuri tirashokeka 2 hours atuli to twathie hedo turana nyandara finance gutirikiria ndirashokirie ona kimwe. We have a gap ya kushokia shuria nyingi muno cia life, but digihota maira mau if this young man don't come over. So if you are there fighting this generation, you are at loss.
Amen.
Nenyumaga otuko dafare gakinya mushie, everybody is asleep, and I said to these guys you see here, my security dereva otuko magetha nyamatha inyanya. I cannot be able to do it myself. Kogwa korodore na adwa nini orara in your life okoro waku is too unfortunate. So tashokera haurege negukena ngenete ni undu wa uria Stefano mari na Fortunato na akaiko mokite. Because if you have an English version, Sir James, at the dodo he gave ohoro wanyu kire itari oria itaugite by then nema higeirie thinambere hanini
ni undu nio mahingeirie uhoro wanyu
to nio mahingeirie uhoro wanyu
uria itari naguo amu ni gucanjamura macanjamurite roho wakwa.
Imagine these guys ni mwana igongona ra kurarutwo ni sons and daughters ni majanjamurite nie. Chapter 16 verse 17 and 18 Pastor Sir, Reverend Sir. Na negwenda betia rekina gikuyu hau hamu icupio
amu ni gucanjamura macanjamurite roho wakwa na magacanjamura maroho manyu ona
inyuĩ githĩ mũtiracanjamũku nĩ anake aya na iretu aya
tondu ucio ri kiheagei andu tacio gitio.
Nigukena ni uria Krago okite ni uria mwiru tutawa Kerubo okite ndamuheaga uhoro wa ngeji kanitha ngamura 2022 akoga 21 years ago ngamenya karikuwa wapi haka na nigukena ngenete ni wira urutagwo ni baby top indo ithu twari kuona muitherania tondu riu kina tutekire nio mareka andu tacio ri mahaigitio. Soma kwa Kizungu.
I am glad.
Jokihota kuhora orera wanyita Reverend Gitahi. Okay.
I am glad
of
the coming of Stephanas and Fortunatus and Achaicus for that which was lacking on your part,
because what you lacked on your part
they have supplied. For they have refreshed my spirit. And yours too. Therefore, acknowledge ye them that are such.
My version here says such men deserve respect. Such men deserve acknowledgement. Such men deserve recognition. Tukaribuni kitureka nao. Nimefurahia ujio wow. I'm happy for their coming. So even daga kafurana 9 years yo atene ya Ben Gitahi kanitha, I'm happy kuna twingine tudonye negenetio nitutontroka gwika kiria matekire. So Ben, furahia ujio wow. And such ladies and gentlemen deserve respect, deserve acknowledgement, deserve recognition. And therefore, I want to acknowledge and recognize Reverend Ben. Thank you. This man deserves respect. I want to acknowledge Pastor Mwangi Zakayo. This man deserves respect. I want to acknowledge Reverend Moreithi. Mutu Magongona. This man deserves respect. Sisa sasa tukiwa na Reverend Saa, hivi tugotoe mau. Huyu mtu anaanza tours nigetha hujia mahuroke, because the Bible says that I had muhuroke ihida. Murute toira muno. Karori ugethe ihado no mugethe hado muhuroke o kwa ihinda. To ni murute toira muno. So ala tatapata kupumzika, huyu mtu akona tours company atawapeleka nje na whatever. Na kanisa bado anashikilia upande wa pesa, Minister for Finance. Lakini tunafurahia ujio wao kina Bull wale wamekuja. Huyu ndiye Secretary General wa kanisa nzima na priesthood, SG. Na nimeona kimunini, nafurahia ujio wao. Now I acknowledge such ladies. Giteo kiria heto ni ndo abeti wa masharia only, the newly pastor, the newly ordained pastor. Nafurahia ujio wako. What you are doing is great. Na nedra korira wakiruba tamutagathi munene na jerida. Go tell Betty she's becoming. Amen. Imagine mtu kama huyo akitambua Betty. So you are there, you are becoming, and you are great woman. I don't want to dwell here. Todo twina andu meto iroreire. Guga ni thengio mwana njeta mafururi manyu, east, west, north, south ya thĩ ĩno. Na ndĩmĩtukanĩtie ta mũtharafa nĩ ũndũ wa sons and daughters cia kĩroho. Hapa tuko na mawakili na andũ a priesthood. Gĩtũmi gĩa gũka gũkũ ndĩrathi narua ndemengete maũndũ kũu kũngĩ ũkongerera we. Tũrokire nĩgetha tũtigathi kũndũ kwĩna andũ aingĩ. Tũre hanini tũingĩre runda na mũno mũno nĩ ũndũ wa ũguo mũhunjia uga narĩ na ithuĩ ma tũkoneka Nairobi ya rũgongo. Na ciana cia athĩni ikoneka bado atĩ twĩ hoteli teno ya irio thani ĩmwe nĩ ngiri hakuhĩ ithatũ na tirio atĩ nyingĩ no nĩ cina goro to wa harĩ ori nĩ harĩ ori. So we are happy for this atĩ Ngai nĩ atũhete status icio twoka na ngari nyingĩ irũmanĩrĩire twakora ingĩ. We have all this because of ujio wenyu. Andũ arĩa mathĩte thibitarĩ Indiako magathondekwo nĩ ũndũ wa karango. Nimefurahia ujio wako itha wa mũraya. Nafurahia na nginya uria watinda kuma maragwa nginya kure kungeuma kwa muciri na we haha up to this minute. Na nĩnjũĩ no ũriuga my wonderful. I know mwana witũ nafurahia ujio wako mwana witũ. Ngai akũrathime. Let me finish by saying Job ayubu nyanya muhari nyanya hau no hongorekeria tu tondu mandiko marauga ati abeti ungitengera hau na arua ndenda guthuke hau niketha ndiki mwena wakwa tukinye kinya riu ringi tumutikirie muinuke. Bishop Mukua, I'm happy for you. Na wona anake acio murigaini hau makiarahuka. Just be happy for them. Be happy. Don't fight the young ones. Even you young ones, as Kenge, you have promised me, mutikarwe, don't fight each other. Amongst you, musipigane. Dorane owe sami, mimi nikiweita pale thinkira, ako wapi sami? Nikukiwa na shida tichigwe muraro anane wewe haria hokago ana bahati nini yoi. Kuna mahali tunafunga murango muraya witu ni owe, and I deal with you if you are fighting your fellow mates. Ne moe he hado haigirago. Na ugwederi reverend no ndoke kanitha thainya. If I see Shakahora bypass nitakuwa hapo wa kwanza to cross the Shakahora. Digetekira kigogona kimisiuso na digetekira andu mahenio. We do biblical teachings. Are all the mareda ni grode fafo wao me priest kana menaja. We must teach the Bible. We must have the discipline. Sini kweli hiyo reverend sir. Haya. But we how ndo nisome. Mike yo good. Tuharakisha tu 88 Job 88.
Tanogeke atiri. Orererie ohoro hare marika maria matene.
Orererie ohoro hare marika mau makavere.
Ukiromboye maundu maria matwiritio.
Ukiromboye maundu maria matwiritio ni athuri.
Ni maithe mamo.
Ni maithe mao. Riu haha niho harokira uria jeije. Twirio ohoro kuri athuri acio hau. Uturio rivarori gwa ikarago atia. Uturio ohoro wa wendo hindo wathiaga atia. Tutire nini. We want to discuss issues. We want to discuss love and relationships. We want want to discuss divorce and separations. That's a discussion. We want to discuss widows and how to mourn. We want to discuss mutumia wa adigwa agiro wikaratia. We want to discuss succession and inheritance. Nitoda komanya tumia yake makorona kukuja materi ya hiki view. Siana siaone sia. Nitoda ko discuss broajeri mogwairimo fita wa wajiro maumireko. Don't siana sia rumiage koyo. Where are the fathers? We want to discuss. It's a discussion. It's a discussion. We want to know why Dorokasi. We want to know where is the respect ya masigo mothers. We want to know position ya ofrorine nereko. We want to know mutumia akwirwa agerirwo kuigwo kune wao. We want to discuss. There is a discussion. There is a discussion. We want to know relationship ya kanitha na thirikari. We want to know should the kings and the priests go to bed. We want to know the work of the priests, work of the kings. We want to know the dangers of kings and priests when go to bed. With a discussion. We want to discuss. We want to discuss how athuri aria akoro na aria nini maginaganiria muti. We want to discuss polisi ya kama irutagwo nia. We want to discuss mithigio ina athuri. We want to discuss kofia ira ina thejeri ngai. We want to discuss. There is a discussion. We want to discuss.
Uria JJ.
I will not be able to respond to this alone. I have a team of doctors. We want to discuss diseases. We want to know. We want to know deposit. We want to discuss. Na mundu akuwa biro ndiragirio mwiri niki thuranite ndina senate ndina MP mwiri wa mundu wako kana mundu wako hikiririo niki until you clear. Can the government dispose the body? We want to know. It's a discussion. So I have a team of doctors. I have a battery of lawyers. I am a consulting guy. We want to know. Senator, I'll come to parliament. I'll ask you something. I want to know. By the way, people think I'm wise, but I won't tell you I know nothing. I just want to learn. I'm starting learning. Betty said I have degree. Yes. I have a Bachelor of Arts in Christian Counseling, higher diploma in pure psychology, and I have master's degree in biblical studies. But I know nothing. I want to know. We want to discuss with you. Every Monday, tukutane saa 9, we discuss. We have honorable members. We discuss. There's a discussion. Want to discuss? You are glorious, but you are not. You are not recognized. You are not. Don't know. You are so beautiful. We want to know. They don't keep. Why are you a takeaway? We want to discuss. Want to know. So on Monday, there's a discussion.
Amen.
Uria koria dhuria cio atene omoria terere ugithi hau mbere ya beti harauga omoria kana irura no rikure handu hatari ndoro
amu ithwe turi oro andu aira
inyu murokire muthenya onge onani ona waragwire ndi mwana ithwe turi andu aira
tutiri undu
tui
ni gukorwo matuko maria twikaraga guku thi mathiraga ta kiruru
ithu turi andu aira ikara the beti ngai akurathime turenda kumenya kuria thuri kogwo nie ndiyaga kirira na ninguhita ni undu wanyu nawe ndagwita akirumba you'll host me but you'll come and host me Abu wa Muturu will host me, Kehejo will host me, Jaku Abru will host me, Manio Kajimu will host me. You have different hosts. We discuss issues. We discuss what? Issues. But I wanted to know. Nehiga siga na sina tumia 7. We want to know. Niki kitu maaikara wakua urogamio na oda cia igoti ni atumia ngetu toi mbere yao na mekira oda cia igoti ugaikara moshari nginya ukaruira kuona ukahikania moshari to wina miaka kenda mochari wina nginya nderu wiki hikinene thuku we grade 7. We want to have that discussion. We want to have nikiki gutuma mundu meikara kira fugo there na ndarainuka. We want that discussion. We want to discuss. Tunataka mjadala hiyo. Tunajadiliana. Why nikiki gituma Martin ni mukorino mutumia kati mukorino. We want to know. That's a discussion. Uria church. Nitokona kumenya vio nikiki gituma mukoro na mundu ruraya maumete thina ine hamwe Nyandarua kana Kiambu no wathi wa mu deport here. We want to know. Nikiki gituma tume marua embassy mamuini urathi kuhaya visa kaine ruraya uge ni ambassador wa Fagi. How can you do that to an embassy? We want to know. We want to know. We want to know. Why should you write about me? We want to know. If or how Kaini, we want to know.
Oh, yes.
We want to know why Kaini killed Abel. We have a discussion. I want to know why as a bishop I want to know why these our other bishops they have fought us. We want to know. We want to know why. Heonyi gisiti ge penetrate. Aonatiga no guy you can gay who you angekuwa.
We want to know.
Huyu Zakaya huyu.
Oh yeah.
I'm happy. Oh, we got to. And now the exact words. Ithu andu ari farori titeka kota turi honoko. But haro do guga. Kira kenganagia nete cira-ini wa Ngai, shaitani ni agakorwo kuo. Thaisi no henani ora watho wi muthingu no hindu shaitani agakorwo kuo. Yes. Mabishop magicira, mafatha magicira, mundu akawaida agicira, shaitani ucio tukaga ni ngoma ni akera Ngai we ni we ndari karau hindi yo tinie niwe. I'm happy the devil will be in the case. He will not fix me. Yes. Shaitani nakauga maheni umutu aliwekere wo. I'm happy kwa ujio wenyu. Nidororire ngiono kihandira muthuri comedy. Na mimi namuinua pia na ndireigirira ogwo areka. Na ndiuka show yaku. Brandon ndio yeha. Ucio no wajerire tuende pale. Mwanake odirajire kumgweta muthenya ungi. He is now almost fully booked. No afagire event ino. Ni direndaga. He just did it. Adu ayo thorona guku thutha ni yeye amefanya haya. Appreciate this young man. Nimefurahia ujio wako. Kwa adu akimarare mbere riu nawe we hau. Endelea kupanga kitu, be serious. Hekla ntigiteyo na ndukare kindu kinene. Kidogo tu. Muhida turagio ni kwendia kiratu 99 naita kare 90. Mugikwa kendia ngiri gira kendia kimwe muthenya muhida kendia iratu 50 muthenya. So be wise man. Mimi napenda what you are doing. Hena adu ara dutaka wira nao. Kuambiriria na adu a Topaz. Please, kama unafanya kampuni yangu ya Topaz, kimbia hapa mara moja. Bio. If I'm your chairman in that company, I want to show you what God can do. Watu Mariam huko muthuri uyu na ni andu hakuhi I think of 150. Appreciate them all. Kila mtu akona position yake. I thank God huyu my secretary ukienda head office Ruiru etagwa Patricia. Ukijua Patricia shukuru ya gudhama driving na computer atakuhandle vizuri. Ayaginealimu, we have accountants, we have manager, we have office manager, and we have their director here. So that is a team by itself. Nafurahia ujio wao. Kogo modo othoire kana ungiciria uru umenyaga kumuti ugitema nyoni ingiciage kwa kumba. Ngai amurathime. You may be seated. Thank you Patricia. Tutapeana namba yako na wale wako kwa mitandao muweke hiyo namba ya Topaz Driving and Computer College. Tuko na watu wangu pia maruta kawira kaboni itako Githima TV. Kimbieni hapa mara moja tu. Riu nirikarigiria ngorire another generation that I will show you. Watu wamekuja hawa. Uwaragi horo wa dagitari, muhwa wa dagitari. A very beautiful lady etagwo Tabi Biden. Oyo kaga Saturday guraro cia muturire. Oyo ni mwendia, thank you. Oyo ni muhujia kuma Monday to Friday na Saturday niwe uni hostaga Betty wa masharia mutungatiri. This an ngure marketer. Oyo she is our manager, operations manager. By the way, mimi sienja jiri mtu huko na dili mtu ngefuta. Yoyo niwe adekanaga na akafuta na meno gwitagwa SK. Sasa ukitaka biashara kwetu agimose atafanya kazi na wewe. The way you see her, the way she is beautiful, she is an image of the TV. Na Uyu Betty wa Masharia, our pastor all through, a very brilliant and sharp lady. This is a big team. This is our driver and a cameraman. This is our IT manager. Anaitwa Dennis. Huyu ni msomi pia kwa university, anafuata masomo sana. Huyu ni mtu wa kudevelop. Yani mugeshofaga nake wega na hota kuigira kodu na kwandikithio koragwo wira kou na urihagwo na undu koragwo. Ani adu IT. Ni mundu ni ani omathondeka ghost worker. So thank you, appreciate Githima TV. Naige naya DJ 44 one DJ Wito, DJ Riska, thank you. Eno ne timu nene na gine aige muno, they didn't make to come. Adwasha gemeta kwa wengine ni JJ Lad Merchants. Wako wapi hawa watu wa mashamba? Kibieni kabisa. Wewe uko unenda kuwa ni ya Patricia Topazi, enda kuwa ni ya Gimosa Githima, leo reke gune kwa megoda. Gainia daidagi how do they hogora de na secretary. This is my secretary, to fake cool. Tiaredo wa mayatima. Ne turenda kumenya muri utodare nyina na ithe. What is her fate? We want to know. Hiyo that's discussion. Aya ni adu ari marutaga wena na JJ Land Merchant na mutawajua hapo baadaye. Ofisi shitu ikoragwo what minute?
Kiambu Road Ridgeways Landfill Arcade.
Thank you very much. Hiyo ni timu nyingine. Gaya murathime. Ne tuli na adu ake. Kuna wengine I think ni aige drivers what asio na agimateta ka kumenyo ne adu makorogo igosete madara karuku makiroko mtu naamuka na kasirika. Now mimi nashukuru kwa hayo. I wish I had all the time to introduce the whole team to you na priesthood fellowship lu mwisho okai haha ari amari goko our reverend the senior most kibia hapa tu na irua na rua wakili those wako hapa tu kibia totinenda gukandwa ingi tondu ni turenda kapio andwa nini nigetha tutikirie Reverend Ben na inywe na Reverend Bishop Jane kiu kenge muko fanga tutue tumesumbua watu sana. The ani wazee tu kidogo, a small team. Huyu ni mke wake kasisi Sir James, huyu ni mke wake Muraya, huyu ni wakili wetu kule katika ofisi ya AG na kuaruta is a lawyer. Huyu ni ofisi ya DG, governor, deputy governor. Huyu ni mwalimu wa base na pia bassist Kameme na priesthood na Kigosho. Huyu ni mfanyabiashara international importer. Huyu ni mfanyabiashara pia anaitwa Wamboi. Huyu ni mcheke ni mhubiri. Upande huu tunafanya haraka sana. This is mama the senator, the mama kanisa. Huyu ni one of our leaders, ameongoza youth kwa muda na mondo wa IT onake etago Hesbon, thank you very much. Huyu ni kasisi wetu kule Kamuteine. Ujio wake huyu ni akaiko. Huyu nafurahia ujio wake. Fortunato, huyu anaitwa Jenny Njora, ni mshirika wito. Huyu ni mtumia wa Defura, huyu ni muhegeta baya, ni mudefura. God bless you. Huyu ni controller wa instrument na whatever. Huyu ni mshirika anaitwa Naomi ama Katubide the Kataitan. Kapumpum. Huyu ni banka, ni mwana benki, huyu ni wa pesa, anaitwa Stevo. Haya ni washirika, huyu anaitwa Edel. Na huyu anaitwa Karo, na huyu anaitwa Corette. Na huyu anaitwa Kababe ama Titanic. Kanyamukarakara harukire iria ine na ndo karani na you see kitu kadoka. Kijana fupi naona round. So mimi nashukuru kwa priesthood, may God bless you. Nimekimbia kabisa. Mimi nashukuru, niseme hii ya mwisho kabisa. May God bless you. May God bless you. I say may God bless you. Asante. Mimi nashukuru kwa yote. Nimkaribishe sijui nani, Kajim. Mwanake huyo, I wish you the best na kila dimokora hairo. Ni ororare king of comedy kutoka Kihenjo kuja hivyo. Take it, go and become. Mimi nimeshukuru. Tabo ni sisi haha dama. Kuna dama na ni mtu mmoja wale akitaka kusimama na wewe. Roho yake nene na muno na ni nege na kaka TV ni betia ginyiria geithia ciake gauga ni ageithia yauga atia ni umuteithagia muno ngamuria we ajikiria ki ni adora gamura basi nyita geithia cio ginya itwarane urende muteithagia nake orara ndei. So I'm happy for you dama na ore munyitireire Reverend Ben. Nimefurahia hiyo kazi mnafanya. Nashiage mudhuri murata wako mwene Rainbow mukao itoko Rainbow tukagira event oria JJ tutafanyia huko. I'm happy Julius ginyagoka haha. Nashukuru sana Jeremiah. Solai Paints, wazee wa kitambo. Solai Paints nio kita harabe yakwa 2000 harabe yakwa yari kundu gwitagwo Roysambo Inn na kihebesa ninde kura twi nawe nikidekire na bia icio mugeni wa gitio akihe ngiri 12 mena mheshimiwa Ali Mushiri 2000 he was a guest of honor in my event. So warweno organizer wa event onake na furahia ujio wake ni mataithitie aini aratakwa ata mundu anikariuki huyu na Brandon walipanga hiyo kitu na furahia ujio wenyu. Mungu awabariki sana. Mundu gito Shuma metal work Shuma refrigerator mundu ria ingekirogwo ndimwire ndenda ngirigana na ndicione ona taru indo ici huthikite haha ogwo kuni mukuona Shuma riria ariuka hatiri kindu na ki yani no ahinge kiundu giki wiki tuinuke no arehe so ino mwaka yani ni imodo iria yani is just a brother, he don't count in spending on people and ni hakwa na andu aria amami Shuma afurahia ujio wako na tukana thine na mami tukire ndagathi hiki muthuri no aheire gitanda kia thibitari with no money na kihe wheelchair na kihe walking frame we ndukagera hau thank you nafurahia. As I finish, I want to acknowledge my mother, a peasant farmer, a single mother who cannot celebrate me now. She is just sick and incapacitated. Dagimenya kore ade, dagimenya gitio kira murahe. Thank you niko dehithia biru adhivitari. You are my brothers and sisters. I give you my hair diapers. Thank you for keeping my mom alive. Some of you helped me to pay the nurse and doctors. I'm what I am because Mommy Dorcas. She disciplined me. She educated me single-handedly. She's a fighter. I take all the tribute. Nagekeno gya kwa giothe kyo muthi. Ndakiheana kwi mami. This lady you see here, the lady wa kirubohoro wa Julia Lucy, mutumia ro aturerire musicini, atwendete ithuothe na ni aditire discipline na no atumire gacoka ministry ni togo kengei aracokire. Hawe mundu ukaga Julia Lucy made me become. Na riria tuire gukua etire mutumia uyu, this is a mother. Ithuothe haha uyu ni mami gucira no gacora yu tangimwita mami na Julia Swari nibo. Akira mutumia uyu ni ndi nguhuruka no ndagutigira JJ na hese mwanake ucio muthikagiriria kiaria angiuroka mwita tondu Julia ikaraga show ine yakwa ngiaria radio ine ndonaga thimu murio hau hatire ungai na tikiroho na tikio mundu withdraw statement yo magacoka ngira wanjiko ino yatukerego ni yarego ino ti urika kodo akamuteinira inio ndiko ikiria mutumia ucio kajokia share rera-ini kana kajita duka-ini guthomera ukiuga uguo niki na ni urathikiririo ni ithui wanyararithia uguo niguo aturia riu ucio wira urutagwo ni mutumia uyu wa thayo. She just takes care of me ona egwiciragia event ino ni ya rucio ahurira ndi haha Hatos Motors ajira murio ta ndumira pini damuda hura damure mami ukinyete ha ajira githeti rucio damuna ni thaa ici all the way kuma mucie ajira reke tete dereva. She have driven kilometers to be here. Na gitio kia mama Julia arakire kanitha mena tumia aratake kanitha arareka bahati. She is a great woman and the dad Ben wa mama kama hawa they deserve acknowledgement. They deserve respect. Mami, I'm happy for you.
I love you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you.
Uria muthuri uyu iga ni uhoro wa ma mwanake uyu wakwa Ni ndimwitaga Bishop, ndimwitaga Murio. Riria ndimwandikagira message oria nderirwo ni Julia, na nikio akurino ni mwende mukurino no gitamba itohagwo. Kanitha yo turerwo turakire na mutumia witagwo Rahab kuria Bahati for the honor of Julia Lucy. Ni Murio kiria ngukwira Julia ni atigire ciana, na we ni uwi ni ndakanirie ateti senator wi hau tondu muthuri wakwa ari muteti, was the first MP for Kagima, the first senator, the first secretary of the late Jomo Kenyatta, na gutire kindu thurite ta mathiko maria mari ateti. We ni ukuririkana hindi ya Julia ndarugamire ngira ateti mutikahenie ciana ici cia Julia, ni ndamuthaitha na marugama githe matia mahenirie. Ndageririe kumakinyira ngiremwo, no aini ni ngumuria mutongoretio ni mwanake o wakwa, muri thondeka tuthie kwa Julia. Siro wa GP mutumia ucio ni maito wanyu. Karago we ni uria ngwendete, ugituma nyende Reverend Ben, nie ndiumaga nyamu-ini ciaku mahunjio maku, nie ndingiathikiriirie uyu. Nderaga Julia mwanake ucio ni muturiku, akinjira aca urithikagiriria kiugo kiria arahunjia tondu wi muhonoku, ngambiriria gukwenda.
Thank you.
Na hindi oguo roiga ma anjirire ma ndukanatiganirie JJ na Hese. Karago mwana ucio ni witu, na thank you so much umuthe nyonire ugirite Mutara. Ngai witu akurathime. Nie ni rugamaga na mahoya maria mungiahoirwo ni Julia. May God bless you, Archbishop.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you all. Na majokite guku tuko ndithiaga utuku. Ndakorwo ndaigira mucii Karen riria wanjuria mami wiha, ndakwira woi ni rucio tondu ndironete nyamu-ini ya Karagu, no tondu miaka no iranjikia nie ndinarora date. I'm now 73, so going to 74. Na ndigukinyia 75 utetitwo Archbishop nigetha ngurathime haria Julia angikarugama. Karago mungikandigana Pastor Ben, mwana uyu wakwa agituo Bishop, ngue koima Ruraya iria angekira. Archbishop mukareka ngorwo hau nigetha moko ma Julia haria ari to ni njui nionaga ngarehe kirathimo kiu. God bless you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I'm humbled. Nudwa the fario. Dio gugatia magwai pras nini jui Karagu ne ko acknowledge all of you, businessmen again, professionals, bishops, ahoria fiashara, adwa media. I acknowledge you. Thank you. Anamwimire kunene adame Ruraya, all my supporters, all the supporters aini aramura supportira event ya muigaithika mura support Karagu Ruiru riu ningi ne mwena ni haha mutinokaga ne ithui. Thank you. Na mura support Okay. There go, yeah. Thank you very much, Bishop Jane. Thank you. Niego dagochokia heka Jim. Na when I'm so happy, I tend to be emotional. Thank you for the offer, Mami. To thank you, Nadwa Ruraya. Onarema hosted my son in UK. Mwadhani amurathime. Martini, thank you. Nesho yaku ori otuhigura gina menago na hujia. Thank you nekwaga goro kiria waheo ni Ngai ukashia na yangi. Thank you Elder Kigomo nikuhuthira bia ciaku na ithui. Thank you My Homes, thank you Now Homes, thank you Mwagwai Plus, thank you Ado all the I may not be able to acknowledge you. Bradon Dama Mobiles, any other drona bana share you. My Credit in Baraka what? Thank you all of you. Thank you organizers. Thank you Kajim. Thank you. I don't know what to say. Thank you for your love. I'm just humbled. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.